Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make someone admin on Discord server. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Discord application and then tap here on that three lines icon and select a server. Next, tap right there on server's name or on that three dots to bring up that menu, and here select settings. Now first you need to make a role, so scroll down until you find roles and there tap on create a role. There you can choose name for your role. I will write down admin. Also I can select role color, and now I'm able to create admin role, and here I can customize the permissions of the admin on my server. There are some packages of options like cosmetic, member, moderator and manager. Manager gives the person full access to admin your Discord server, so select manager, and now you are able to give that role to any member of your server. For example, I will give that role to my friend and to me, and then tap finish. That's how it works. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.